Hello from NISSI Beach once again, and the path between the beach and NISSI Island on the other side. Look at that. Despite being cloudy, the water still looks amazing. And I'm now walking on this natural sandy bridge between the beach and the island. It is 3rd of January and it's towards the end of the day. It starts to fall a lot. So I hope you're able to hear me. But it's still a great day. There was some sun earlier. It's 21 degrees Celsius right now despite the wind. 19.1 degrees in the water. And look at that. There's practically 20 people on the whole big beach. And this looks super amazing, even in the cloudy day. So these sandy islands are being created between the two uh, waves where the waves from both sides of the water are colliding with each other, so they're creating this bridge, natural sandy bridge that will take you to the Nissi Island. And yes, NISSI Beach is the best beach in Cyprus for sure. It has been chosen also as one of the most Instagrammed beaches back in 2018, and it's always on the top 10 lists of best beaches around the world on many occasions. So yeah, this is the last episode from Ayia Napa from my winter vacation. It is day 14 today, and this is the 5th time I'm right here at the same beach during the winter vacation. I was here also once in summer on my birthday, 31st of August, and I was also once again in 2018 for a short visit here when I was staying in Paphos actually. But what an amazing vacation it was. It was sunny throughout the most of the vacation, with few clouds here and there, like now for example. But I'm still happy that it has been great weather. So now let's take the last swim here in Ayia Napa before I head back to Stockholm tomorrow. I'm gonna do beach adventures tomorrow from Napa, but this is probably the last one from Ayia Napa, and what a fantastic vacation it has been. Look at that, amazing. All right, so then let's go. Amazing, amazing, beautiful. The water is amazing. When you look below, like when you're in and you look, it's the most beautiful blue color despite being cloudy. But yeah, it's a blast. Let's dive in once again. So beautiful. And as it is the last dip, so 3rd time's the charm. So let's go. Oh my god, it's amazing. Ha. Cool. Then that's a wrap from Ayia Napa for this time. I might be returning back soon here because it's so beautiful. But yeah, greetings from NISSI Beach in Ayia Napa, Cyprus, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures that are coming on the channel. Beach adventures with Chris.